In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bollinger Bands on MetaTrader 5. Bollinger Bands are a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to identify potential buy and sell signals in the market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to add and interpret these bands is a valuable skill for your trading toolkit. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open MetaTrader 5 on your device. This is the platform where you'll be performing your analysis, so make sure it's installed and you're logged into your trading account. Once you've opened MetaTrader 5, you need to select the chart that you wish to analyze. Think of the chart as your workspace where all the magic happens. It's essentially where visuals of price movements come to life. With your chosen chart open and visible, the next thing you'll need to do is look at the menu bar at the top of the platform. Here, you'll see several options, but for our purpose today, you're going to click on Insert. This drop-down menu has a variety of tools that you can use to enhance your chart analysis. After clicking on Insert, you'll want to navigate to a sub-menu called Indicators, which houses all sorts of useful metrics. Indicators can give you insights into market trends, volume, and potential price reversals, among other things. As we're focusing on Bollinger Bands today, you'll hover over Indicators, then proceed to select the Trend category. Bollinger Bands are categorized as a trend indicator because they relate to the movement of market prices over time. Once you've selected Trend, you'll see Bollinger Bands as an option in the list. Click on Bollinger Bands to open up a new window where you can adjust the settings. This window allows you to customize the parameters of the Bollinger Bands according to your trading strategy, or leave them as default, which is perfectly fine for most analyses. Parameters such as period and standard deviation affect how tight or loose the bands will appear on your chart. This flexibility makes Bollinger Bands adaptable to different market conditions. After you've adjusted the settings to your liking, or chosen to keep them default, simply go ahead and click on OK. This final step will apply the Bollinger Bands to your selected chart. Voila! You should now see the bands displayed, with price movements typically trading between the upper and lower bands. It's important to note that Bollinger Bands can help indicate whether a market is overbought or oversold, but they are most effective when used in conjunction with other indicators. Thanks for watching. Remember, practice is key. Take some time to familiarize yourself with how Bollinger Bands respond to market activities on your demo account before applying them in a live trading scenario.